Tanner. I'm a channel development specialist here at ASI. I specialize in industrial PCs and I'm part of the IPC team here. Our objective is to provide a diverse array of support for all of our customers involved in industrial PC. All of you are ASI customers, or at least most of you are. So you know a lot already about the advantages of working with ASI, but we know there are choices. And so there are some advantages to working with ASI specific to industrial PC that we wanted to talk about. And the first one's going to be longevity. So at ASI, longevity is not just about product life cycle. We have long-standing, well-curated, and well-maintained relationships with our manufacturing partners. Our history with ASUS goes way back. Our history with many of these manufacturers goes way back. And that's a lot of business development that you could have in your corner. You get a bridge to the manufacturer, which really just means we can facilitate whatever the customer needs in terms of information and things like that. It also ties into these long-standing business relationships, right? We get special pricing sometimes. We're able to try and expedite things and ultimately make things happen for our customers that they might have a much harder time making happen themselves. You get the experience of the IPC team. Now, you've all been listening to me talk for a little while now, and you're no doubt thinking to yourself, what an incredibly intelligent guy this Tanner is. And I thank you very much for that compliment, but I am not the genius of the IPC team here at ASI. There are people, believe it or not, even smarter than me, who have been involved in industrial PC for decades, and they've worked all around the world, and they have a long track record of established success. So it's the experience of our IPC team here, Manish and Wesley and others. They're very knowledgeable and they have a lot of experience with this stuff, but it's also the experience of your rep. Your rep has experience with your business and can help your business grow, right? It's important to have a supplier who is attuned to your specific needs. We have that experience. We have the experience with project management. We have experience supporting these things, and we have that track record of success. Next one's going to be life cycle management. Now, we already talked a little about life cycle, but having that experience with inventory forecasting and EOL notifications, it becomes especially important with these long-term projects, right? When these life cycles are so long, it makes being aware of when something is about to go EOL that much more important. And so managing inventory, managing EOL and roadmap, forecasting, importing, these are all essential life cycle management skills for these industrial projects. And they are all, skills that ASI is heavily versed in. ASI is a recognized brand and an esteemed name in the industry. Our partners are well known in the industry, and that reputation means a lot to ASI. We would not risk a reputation that took decades to build, bringing in products that our customers couldn't trust. So working with ASI, you can confidently know that all the products have been vetted by the market and by us. And then the last one is that product breadth, right? You get a centralized point of contact. This is another area where ASI can provide value because instead of you having to go to 8 different people for 8 different things, you can just come to us and get whatever you need. Through ASI, you can consolidate sourcing of various product groups from various vendors for various verticals. And so overall, we're adding our value to you, our partners, with our experience in project management, product management, our experience in working with these manufacturers, the reputation that we've earned through our longevity as a company. We are adding our experience to yours. So we're fully capable of providing turnkey solutions and whatever level of assistance a customer is looking to get. Maybe you don't need any help building something turnkey, you want to do it yourself. You still get a lot of value by having one centralized point of contact that is your supplier, that understands the things that are important to you, and that has experience with your business, managing life cycle, managing inventory, and all that stuff. So like I said, we're taking ASI's experience and reputation and adding it to yours.